In this video, I'm going to show you how to block emails on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your mail application and then open up some email that you want to block. Let's say I want to block that sender, so open up that email and then hit on sender name at the very top and hit on that sender name again to open up that contact. And now here you can hit on block this contact and then confirm it. Now if you hit done and go back to the email, it says that this message is from a sender in your blocked list, and also you will see that sign near the sender's name. And now if that sender will send you a message, it will be moved to the trash. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.